Programming shouldn't be boring. Let's play a Codingame's puzzle today. Hi, let's play and solve a puzzle titled Genome Sequence. I'm Anatol, and you are watching the good parts of the front-end development. If this is your first time here, you want to learn front-end and JavaScript, start right now by subscribing and don't forget to turn on the subtitles. The story tells Guanine, Thymine, Cytosine. You might have heard of those things in biology class, but forgot them on the spot. Don't worry, we all have. The goal of this exercise is to find how to combine chains of nucleotides, sorry, characters, in a way in which they take the least possible room. This puzzle makes you manipulate strings, substrings, and characters, and handle a large number of possible combinations and permutations. The goal of this puzzle is to calculate the length of the shortest string sequence that contains all the subsequence of the input data. Let's dive into the code. Read a subsequence. Define a mutate function. For each element of the sequence, call a mutation function recursively, passing in a copy of a sequence and the rest of starting from the next element. Perform data starting from the end of the sequence. For each pair of a sequence, calculate a minimum length of chains of nucleotides. And push it into a result array. Print results. Test it. Good. That's pretty easy, isn't it? Next time, let's have a look at Bender Episode 2 and Dynamic Programming. My code is available on GitHub, documentation is available in the internet. Follow the links if you're eager to get more. If you liked this video, give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, subscribe to the channel and watch other episodes. Thanks for watching and dive deeper.